How to use Steady Freddy Delay Spray. Last longer with Steady Freddy Delay Spray for men in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Spray. While standing, have your baton upright and spray the underside of the tip about 2 to 3 times, or if required, you can even spray up to 10 times. Everyone's baton is different. And it doesn't matter if your baton is soft as spaghetti or hard as a hammer. Steady Freddy Delay Spray works either way. Step 2. Wait. Allow at least 5 to 10 minutes for Steady Freddy to take effect. In this time, focus on bringing your partner pleasure, so go on and get creative. Step 3. Wipe. With a wet wipe or whatever you have handy, wipe off the leftover residue, just to make sure you don't transfer any of the delay spray to your partner. Now that you've completed all 3 steps, you are ready to run a marathon in the bedroom. So go on and give Steady Freddy Delay Spray a try.